Hello there. I'll show you a video on how to clean a tankless hot water heater. We have the isolation valves. This is the cold side and this is the hot side. We turn on this pump and the water is going to flow out from the pump into the cold side of the isolation valve. The hot side will come out into the bucket. So we'll close this valve here. And we'll close the other valve. The unit is turned off at the moment. You press the power off button. Now what we're going to do, we're going to pour some vinegar into this bucket. Let's get the vinegar. This is a bottle of vinegar, 1 gallon. We have the vinegar inside this bucket. We're going to open these valves here to let the water flow through. That one is open. Open this one here. Okay, the 2 valves are open. So let's turn the unit on. Let's turn on the pump. Make sure the water is flowing. So we have the pump on. The water is flowing. What we're going to do, we're going to turn on the tankless. We put the tankless on. We'll let the unit run for an hour. That's going to clean the inside of this tankless. Notice that the flame is off in the tankless. The reason the flame is off is because the water in here, or the vinegar, had reached its operating temperature. So we'll come back later and see how this water looks like. Okay, we finished cleaning the tank. You see the water color is a little bit different, like a little bluish color. So we're just gonna drain out the hose, take out the hose, remove these two hoses, and we're gonna put a long hose from here and then flush out the tank and put in clean water inside the tank, because the vinegar is still in here. So we removed the bucket and the pump, and we closed off this valve. We put the cap back on. This is still closed, and this is still closed. So we connected a hose from here, and we open this valve, and we run the hose to a drain, which is over here. So we slowly open the water. We can turn on back the unit. Open the water slowly. See, the water's coming out of there. So we're going to clean out the unit, get rid of all the vinegar. You can run it for like 5 minutes until you clean out the inside. That should be it. Just close the, cut off back the water. Close this port here. Remove the hose. Run back the cap. And then we can turn on the regular valve. And that should complete our cleaning of the tankless water heater.